National insurance is the next deduction. So the same as previous, I think the last 4 or 5 years, I'm not sure. But employee in IC is calculated at 8% on earnings above £1,048 per month, right? But employer NIC is calculated at 15% on earnings above £417 per month. So for our 2,916 thousand pounds per month salary, we'll take the employee NIC of 1048 and we deduct that from the 2916, okay? Whatever the balance of that, we'll times by or multiply by 8%, and this gives us 149 pounds, £149 per month. The employer NIC is separate and does not reduce your take-home pay, but good to know for cost calculations.